Hi, I'm Carol Hervé, and this Nexus Snap Rewards presentation is brought to you by Wilson Lee, who is an author, and he just joined our team as one of our Nexus pioneers. And we are looking for partners in the Philippines, both Live Good leaders and new members, to take this opportunity to be a pioneer in the Philippines. And Wilson Lee, who's not only a pioneer in this, and he is a great leader. And as I said before, he's an author. Here's his book, Wilson Lee. You can see right there. And here's his, oh, my face is in the way. There we go. Here's his picture right there. Okay, so let's get back to Nexus Snap. Now, this is going to be a presentation on the compensation plan and how you will make money with this company. Now, again, just income disclaimer, there's no guarantee that you're going to make money. You get out of Nexus what you put into it, okay? And so now after that, let me move this over here, my face over here. This is the world's most lucrative $10 program. It is incredible. It's unique cashback and savings membership. It's based on subscription. It's designed to help people save money. And there is a highly lucrative referral rewards program. Okay. And Nexus is committed to solving problems. So please stay to the end of this presentation to see if Nexus is the solution that you have been looking for. And we're going to go into the presentation right now. What we're going to learn about is how you can earn from free signups, that there are weekly fast start commissions. There are 10 plus levels of rewards, infinity rewards, and the monthly coded bonus reward is incredible. It is a patent bonus it's patent just to Nexus Snap. And it's incredible. Monthly matrix check matches. We'll go over the rank and the qualifications, and of course the earnings disclaimer we've done and we'll go over again. Now, getting started, it's a low cost. It's a one-time $40 cost to become an affiliate and $9.95 monthly subscription. So it's $49.95 to get to become a premium member with Nexus and to get the apps for the discounts, the savings, and cash back. Okay. And to be able to enroll in the lucrative referral programs. And with our team, we help you actually refer. Okay. So earn on free signups now most of the apps are available for the US and for Canada, but you can still enroll free members in the US and earn when a member downloads the apps and uses them and gets cash back. So you can earn $34 on a free member just using the apps to get discounts and to have savings. Okay, so that's really incredible. So if you get 10 people, you have $340 you'd earn. 100 free members is $3,400. And this is just on free members. You can actually really earn on free members here. Now, the weekly fast start commissions are $25 for everyone you directly sponsor. You directly bring in, whether it's from our team helping you, Wilson helping you, or you doing it yourself. Okay? And it goes down to 10 levels, infinity commissions. The weekly fast starts, this is the way it starts. Okay? Everyone that you bring in is $25. If you have 2 people that you sponsor, you get the first level, your direct people, and then your second level, you earn $5. Now, a pro is when you bring in 5 people, okay? You earn, of course, the 25 for the first level, 5, and then you add on 50 cents for the third level, okay? Now, it does open up more the more you refer, okay? And that was just what I went over right there. And this is what shows Infinity how you can earn as you go. And this is just on the fast start. So as you can see, the pros and the stars and the diamond and double diamond, we'll go over those qualifications in a little bit, okay? Now this is the coded Infinity bonus. Now we already went over the fast start commission of $25 plus you can earn on your members bringing in members also. And the Infinity coded bonus is, and initially every member you refer is coded to you, and you make an additional $2 per month on their monthly subscription, which is incredible. Like I said, nobody else does this. One of your first 3 premium members and 2 of your first 5 premium referrals will be randomly coded to your sponsor. Now don't freak out. It doesn't mean you lose them. You still get the fast start commission. We're going to talk about a matrix. They're still in your matrix. It's just the coded bonus. And understand why this is so important. You earn $2 from the coded bonus. So yes, your sponsor would earn $2 from them, but then out of the 5, the 3 you have stay coded to you. So you would earn $2 from them, from those 3, and then they would need to send 2 up to you. And then those 2 would, those 3, because then you'd have 6, and those 6 members that just went up to you would have to send you 2 more. So, do you see? And this is just going to continue right on going, okay? This coded bonus is phenomenal. And this is earned from the subscription cost, the $9.95. So that is monthly, okay? So, and that is one of the reasons why my team helps you. Wilson and I, we will help you get your 5, and we will help you with being able to learn how to build. Matrix commissions. This is if you don't recruit anybody. Now this is potential, okay? You have the potential to earn $2,460. You recruit 1 person, you have the potential to, it opens up to a 9. This is a 3 by 8 matrix. This is a 3 by 9 matrix, which means you have 3 spots below you, okay? And if you bring in 5 people, the 2 people would go in your matrix below your first 3 people, okay? So that's how you earn, and it just grows. And with this one, you recruit 5 people, bring 5 people in, and you have the potential earnings of $22,000. Now this is monthly earnings. Now think that maybe you only have half of your matrix full. And again, there's no guarantee that you're going to earn money. Okay, but our team will help you. Wilson's team, we will help you. If you get half of that, that's $1,200. You get half of this, that's like $3,700. You get half of this, it's $11,000. This is monthly commissions, okay? And the matrices are powerful. So you have the fast start commissions, you have the coded bonus, you have the matrix, and that's not even one of the coded bonus is my favorite, and this one is my favorite. The matrix check match. As a pro member bringing in 5 people, remember, you earn 50% of whatever your people, your referrals earn. You earn 50%. So if they earn $100 in their matrix, you earn 50. If they earn 1,000, you earn 500. Okay. If you get up to 1 star, you earn 75%. And if you get up to diamond, you earn 100% match. That means if they make 500, you make 500. You bring in 5 people and they're making 1,000 each in their in their matrix, you match that $5,000 plus what you make in your matrix, plus your coded bonuses, plus the fast starts. This is just an incredible company, and I just explained it, so that's why I'm passing these by. Okay, the diamond bonus pool is when you get to diamond. You bring in more people, have more people on your team, and you qualify to earn from the diamond bonus pool. Okay, which is 2% of the commissionable volume of all members that join that month. So it's like profit sharing. Okay, so just know that these are referral ones, but you're not alone with this. Wilson and our team will help you. Okay, ranks and qualifications. Okay, let me move this over here. This is what you need to pay attention to. The pro member, like I said, is 5 active people, all upgraded. Okay, the active is basically upgraded. Pro 25 is 5 with 25, and you recruited 5 with 50 for 50. The 1 star, which is the 75% check match, is 10 people, and that's not impossible. 10 people in and having 100 people in your network. That's not 100 people that you recruited. That's 100 people on your team that everybody brought in all together. Okay, and then we're just gonna, you can see the 10 star, 2 stars, 15, and then 253 is that. And the diamond is 25 people that you brought in with 1,000 people in your network, and you get 100% check match plus the diamond pool bonuses and everything. And then it just goes up more as the more you recruit and the more people you bring in. The earnings potential in this are staggering. They really are. Okay, so again, no guarantee of earnings, no guarantee that you're gonna make money. Okay, but I do want to say that our team, Wilson and we are here to help. And when you join our team, when you join Wilson, okay, get his link below this video and join, and we will work to help you get 5 paid members. Okay, we have a team rotator where okay, this is our rotator website. Okay, click on Wilson's link down below and you can be added to this website. We will help you. We will help you. You will stay on the rotation until you get 5 paid members, and you've seen that that brings you to a pro member. Okay, and we have, resources and material that will help you continue to grow beyond that. Okay, so get back to Wilson and let Wilson and I make 2024 be your best year yet. Thank you. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share.